The dried ginger is very heaty. It's very heaty. Yeah, yeah.
So next,
Yeah,
dazao.
the jujube.
Okay, for again strengthening the stomach.
Yeah, yeah. There are
Next,
three types of jujube,
yeah,
small one and the big one, all the
yeah,
same.
yeah. Then we have
So yeah, this one puralia, also known as kudzu, no?
kudzu,
Those
and we have an Ayurveda equivalent called Vidarikan for this.
yeah. It's commonly available throughout the whole world. It's
Yes.
a very common tuber, and we eat it for as a vegetable, no?
Mm-hmm.
So Chinese used to cook it with chicken soup.
Hmm.
You can prepare a very nice soup, no?
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then we did mahuang.
Bawang, yeah, ephedra. Ephedra is very good for cough and
Yeah.
for fever
Hmm.
and to remove the water retention in the lung.
Hmm.
But you have to be very careful. Certain part of the world is a restricted this okay. So in the absence of mahuang, we can use peppermint.
Mm-hmm.
But peppermint do not remove the water, no.
Hmm.
So when you use peppermint, you have to use radish or you have to use a black pepper to remove the water of the lung. Yeah.
Yeah. Next slide.
This magnolia.
Magnolia bark.
Magnolia is a bark. Actually, people also make drink,
Mm-hmm.
from the bark also. Also through the whole world. But Chinese use the bark to boost the what do you call when your stomach are bloated with air, it's very good, to remove the what do you call congestion of air congestion in the stomach. The whole pot is very very famous here.
Next slide. Yeah,
Yeah,
Zingren.
this apricot kernel. This is also commonly available.
Yeah.
Apricot common and similar to this is the almond,
Hmm.
Okay, almost the same. But apricot, this thing is good for lungs.
Hmm.
Okay, so we blend it into we blend it, Then we drink it as milk powder to soothe the lung.
Yeah.
So when we have cough, we used to take this thing. Yeah.
Then we have Fruited Foods, sir.
Yeah, lateral roots, aconite.
Aconite.
It's a beautiful plant.
Yeah.
But this plant is poisonous, no?
Hmm.
If you consume it raw, it can be lethal.
Hmm.
Can kill, You be very careful. And there is one adventurist, very famous adventurist, young adventurist. So when he went to this Alaska, with lack of food, so he dig out this one. He look at the roots, They look tasty, Look juicy. Eat and it die. So this one, and we take only the lateral root. So you have to boil for at least half an hour. Zimu, this one also very famous plant to clear the heat,
Heat and thirst. Yeah.
Clear the heat. So that we use the bitter gourd to replace this.
Yeah. Next slide.
This one is the gypsum.
Yeah.
The gypsum is this food grade gypsum. Very good to clear the internal fever. And the children also, we use it very often for children, but it's tasteless, no? Okay, and we can always use pearl powder, mother of pearl, to replace this also.
Okay, next. Japonica rice.
Japonica rice, short grain rice, opposite to the basmati, Basmati are long grain, they're very loose. Short grain rice, when you cook, it stick together, It to protect your stomach. So when you take this gypsum, gypsum are very cold. Sometimes it can affect the stomach, That's why we take this Japonica rice, to protect the stomach.
Okay. Next. Then we have
ginseng. But ginseng, there is a lot of replacement.
Yeah.
So we can use carrot to replace it. Okay. Then we can use some other herbs, And I think in India you have this Indian ginseng.
Yeah,
to
we
replace
have
this.
ashwagandha.
Yeah.
Next. Paichu.
Paichu. This one also very common.
Yeah.
To promote urination. Together with poria,
Yeah,
poria. Poria is a kind of mushroom. Okay, it's buried under the what do you call, the ground. And we also take it as mushroom, It's a common mushroom.
Okay, next. Dahwang.
Dawang. This
Rhubarb.
rhubarb. Rhubarb is to
Or
push,
perch.
purging. This is Chinese rhubarb.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very different from European rhubarb.
Mm.
European, they eat it for common vegetable.
Mm.
And apparently without any problem, no. I don't know why. When I'm in Europe, I saw them, they eat it for fun. But Chinese don't eat for fun. It's very, very
So, Doctor,
laxative,
this
no.
rhubarb, you use the root, right?
Yeah, roots, rhubarbs.
Yeah.
Sometimes we use this aloe vera to represent it.
Aloe vera
Aloe
root.
vera with the skin.
Okay.
Aloe vera skin also is quite laxative, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Then this is Mangxiao milabirite.
Yeah.
This one you can get it in the pharmacy also.
Yeah.
For purging. It's common you can buy it from common embassy. Yeah.
Then we bank
Over the counter. This panxia. Panxia is to stop the nausea,
Okay.
vomiting, and it's a little bit poisonous. No, be careful. Don't take it for fun.
Mm-hmm.
This pun is a little bit poisonous. Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Huang Qing, this one very bitter and cold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Huang Qing. Yeah.
Not diarrhea.
Yeah.
Then next.
Huang Lian, this one also very bitter and cold.
Mm.
These two always come together.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's very bitter, no?
Okay.
Like it's almost like this what do you call
Bitter gourd.
andrographis, no? Andrographis,
Yeah.
we use andrographis to replace it.
Mm-hmm.
Chai Hua, this one is a very important herbs for intero, on and off fever, no?
Like malaria, doctor?
Yeah, like malaria. This one that's why malaria also they use this one to treat malaria also.
Okay.
Chai Hua, it's very common in Chinese, but I'm not sure in India.
Mm-hmm.
I think in Himalaya you say have this this plant. It's in arid area a lot, no? Arid area. Sising also is very important plant for this tooth headache, you know, toothache. The upper part, the headache and toothache, you know. This one is poisonous, but it's very effective.
Okay. And next slide.
This one is very nice berry.
What is it called? Uwe Z.
This uwe. Uwe means 5 flavor.
5 flavor. Okay.
And this is very important for kidney, you know. This is a protein urine, no. This regulate the water metabolism and improve the kidney function. Chinese use it extensively.
Okay, next slide. This is
Colocan. Colocan is to nourish the thirst. When people have this diabetes, no, it's very good.
Okay.
It's a kind of melon, you know.
Next, this one is raw flower.
Jiao flower. Jiao flower, yeah. So it's to remove the water congestion and also to stop the diarrhea.
To stop diarrhea. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. I think that's it. And doctor, now we have certain veggies and spices
Veggie,
you have sent. So we just quickly go through it.
Yeah.
Leek.
Spring onion to replace kuizi, no? To replace cinnamon.
Okay. Next.
Then cassia, there are 3 types of cinnamon, you know.
Okay, 3
Ceylon
types.
cinnamon, cassia cinnamon, and Indonesian cinnamon.
So
Indonesian cinnamon even more potent, you know.
More potent.
The strongest, the one they call it white wood, you know, kayu putih, kayu manis, fragrance woods. The Indonesian one is even more strong flavor than the Chinese one. Cassia one is Chinese one, okay, but mainly for pharmaceutical we use cassia. So in the absence of kuizi, you know, you can use the Ceylon cinnamon.
Ceylon cinnamon.
It can also induce sweating. Then tomato, there are many types of tomato. The sour one is better.
Sour one is better, okay.
Yeah.
For water regulation, we need to use.
Yeah, so water regulation, very good. I use it extensively, you know. And cucumber. Cucumber is used to hydrate the body.
To hydrate the body. Next. Oranges.
Oranges, so we use it to intero, no?
Yeah, and with the skin. With the skin.
Yeah, with the skin. Always with skin.
Always with
the skin.
And
there are 3 types of oranges, no? One is the lime.
Yeah.
Your skin You
Yes.
cannot remove the skin.
Hmm.
One is the mandarin, where you can remove the skin.
Hmm.
Okay, and thirdly is the lemon, the sour one.
Mhm.
Lemon is for liver, no?
Hmm.
Liver hit everything. You use lemon. Then the sweet oranges using for stomach.
Hmm.
Anything sweet for stomach, you know. Then the sour one and the other one lime,
For
no,
liver.
is for the lung.
Lung. Oh, sour is for lung. Okay.
Lung. No, not sour one is not for liver. It's sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour. Huh.
That one is a sun kiss.
Uh-huh.
Sun kiss. No. You cannot remove the skin. The
Hmm.
skin stick to this thing. That one is for lung.
Okay.
Then your sweet potato, these two are similar to each other.
Yeah. Again, to strengthen the stomach.
Yeah, strengthen the stomach.
Yeah,
Very
next.
effective, no.
Yeah.
For diarrhea, so this one very effective. Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Dates,
Dates.
dates to replace licorice and jujube.
Jujube and licorice to be replaced. Yeah.
Licorice
Next.
also, yeah.
You can use the small
More
green
green
apple
apple.
to replace jujube. Doctor.
Jujube.
Yeah.
Even this green jujube also look like apple.
Yeah.
Small apple. That one also is very good. You
Yeah.
can take it fresh, no.
Hmm. Next.
Jujube is a very good plant.
Yeah.
Red apples, yeah.
Then you can use also the red
Yeah,
apple.
yeah.
Now, just everybody to know that how doctor is telling us to use all something that is available. Jaggery.
Yeah.
Dr. Jaggery we have. Yeah.
Yeah, this one to replace the licorice.
Licorice. Okay. Yes.
And my
Next.
father used a lot, you know.
Yeah.
My
Okay.
father, because in the south we don't have licorice, no.
Uh-huh.
They always use jaggery.
Jaggery. Okay. Next. Carrots.
Carrot to replace ginseng.
Ginseng to replace
Yeah,
ginseng for strength. Okay. Next. Sweet lime. Again, doctor, the
Sweet
one
lime,
you were telling. The
Sweet lime is this one when you cannot remove the skin, this one is good for lung.
This is good for lungs. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
The one who can remove the skin one is good for stomach.
Stomach. Yeah. Okay.
And also for congestion, you know.
Mhm.
When you feel bloated, stomach bloated, the lime is very good.
Next slide. Radish.
Radish, yeah. Opposite to quiz, you know. It's cold. And it can also remove the water.
This will also use
For
to.
lung, it can also induce sweating.
Next.
This one we widely use it, no. Watermelons,
Rind.
the skin.
Yeah.
We replace this gypsum
Okay.
together with green skin, you know.
Yeah, together with the green skin, you
Yeah,
can use
with
to
green skin,
replace
yeah.
gypsum. Okay. Cabbage.
Cabbage also is very cooling, you know. We always, and cabbage make a very sweet and flavor, so, and it can remove can increase urination.
So it is also used to remove water.
Urine, yeah. Use the urine. I use it a lot, you know. This cabbage and also the Chinese cabbage, you know. Pak choy. The Chinese cabbage. So these two are very, very good to remove the urine, you know.
Yeah. Next. Ginger.
Yeah. To boost the metabolism.
Boost the metabolism. Next.
And strengthen the stomach. Bitter gourd, this one very important, you know, to reduce the water heat.
Okay. Next. Tamarind.
Tamarind also. Tamarind is for liver, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Liver heat.
Next. Lemon.
Lemon. Also for liver heat. Sour, anything sour is for.
Anything sour is for lemon.
Sour for liver and also for this nausea, no?
So anything sour, doctor, for liver. Anything sweet is for stomach. Anything sweet and sour is for lungs.
No, sour is for liver, not for lung.
Okay. No, if it is sweet and sour like lime.
Yeah, lime is for stomach.
Okay, for stomach. Okay.
So sour can stop the nausea, no?
Oh yeah. So when there is water congestion a lot, we have that nausea feeling.
You see, amla widely used Ayurveda.
Widely used, yeah.
Because it regulates your stomach, no?
Yes. It strengthens.
50% of Indian patients come to you, close your eyes, stomach problem.
Give them amla and it works like magic. Yeah.
India, you close your eyes, no? Okay, yeah. 50% have stomach issue because they take too much spices.
True. Next. Eggplant, doctor.
Eggplant, beautiful plant. Also, it's cold plant.
Yeah.
This one also can replace cucumber.
Fantastic.
And also the stalk at the end, no, is good for cough.
Good for the cough.
The dry cough.
Fennel and coriander seed.
Yeah, fennel, coriander. Okay, this one we replace whole pot, no? Magnolia.
Magnolia bark.
For cough, for cough and for water congestion. For this bloated stomach. This one is good. Coriander seed also very good.
Yeah. Okay. Next slide. Mint leaf.
Mint, this is easier, but that one is to induce sweating, you know.
Yeah, and followed with that, if not available mint leaves, you can go for basil leaves also.
Yeah, basil. Yeah, these two are the same.
Yeah.
Basil and mint are almost the same.
Yeah.
But basil is a little bit warm, you know. Mint is a little bit cold. Almond and apricot
Kernel.
they are similar, yeah.
Okay. Black pepper, doctor.
Black pepper for lungs.
For lungs.
Cough, you know.
Yeah.
For cough, for water congestion. This asthma is very important for urine. To remove the urine from the body.
Yeah. Next, please.
This one also to nourish, to strengthen the body.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Gloves.
Cough also is to strengthen the lung.
Yeah.
Induce sweating also.
Yes. I think beetroot, doctor.
Beetroot, beetroot to strengthen your body.
Yes. Okay.
Beetroot also like ginseng, you know. This one is good to strengthen the body.
Yes, I think that was the last thing.
Yeah.
So let's go to today's verse number 71, doctor.
Yeah. This one is very important,
Yeah. In exoing, that's the Taiyang disease, after sweating, if there is profuse sweating causing dehydration in the stomach, vexation with difficulty to sleep, and a desire to drink water, give small amounts of water to drink. When the stomach chi is harmonized, recovery will follow. If there is a floating pulse, inhibited urination, slight heat, and feeling thirsty, Wuling powder governs this. Formula 34.
Wuling means 5 mushroom.
5 mushrooms, huh? Okay.
The mushroom under the ground. Ling means the underground mushroom. This is a very, very important formulation, okay, to what they call, to discharge the urine. The keyword, remember, the keyword, first, profound sweatings. Okay, then the thirst, feeling thirsty, difficult to urine, and sleep problem. These are the 4 symptoms, then we can use this formula.
Okay, yeah. Okay, next.
This is very important formula. Always remember this formula.
Okay, so this is the formula. We can go to the contemporary preparation.
Yeah. We use chuling. Chuling is also a kind of mushroom.
Okay.
Okay, under the ground. Zhe is a kind of plant to induce urine also. Baichu also to induce urine. All inducing urine. Okay. Continue. Next. Then Fuling also a kind of mushroom. They want the accent also selling.
Yeah. Which
okay. Guizhi is the cinnamon.
Yeah. Now, doctor notes, the Wuling San, the 5 mushroom powder, is an important medicine to induce urination. When
and this is a powder form now. It's not. They don't boil. You can get it in the powder form from the pharmacy.
Okay.
Then you take about 6 grams together with warm water.
Okay. When sweating is wrongly induced, it causes dehydration. If the patient is feeling chills without heat, this is due to weakness in metabolism, and we need to use warm herbs to boost it. We apply the Fuling Futsu, Gankao Tang or Fuling Sini Tang. If the patient feels heaty with vexation, we need to clear the heat and the toxic in the body fluid. Then
you as a doctor, be careful. No?
Yeah.
When a person is dehydrated, there are 2 conditions. One is without infection. Okay, he just feels general weakness. Do not use Wuling San, Do not use Wuling San. Okay. So another one is general weakness with infection. When infection, the body becomes heaty, and thirst. Okay, then you use Wuling San. Wuling San always when they are thirst, and difficulty in urination. You don't simply use Wuling San when a person having a profound sweating, Okay, when a person having profound sweating, you check whether there's infection or not. When there's no infection, there's no heat. Then you're using this some other formulation. You will come later.
So you're saying the logic is, doctor, if there is infection, there will always be heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this Wuling San is with heat, with heat and thirst. Without heat and thirst, don't use this formula.
Okay, understood. Next slide. Verse 72, after sweating, has been induced if the pulse is floating and rapid with vexation and thirst. Wooling powder
Yes.
governs this.
The
No
keyword is vexation,
vexation
agitation,
and thirst.
agitated and thirst. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. This is very, very effective formula. Yeah.
Thirst is indicative that there is toxin in the body fluid and the body need water, but water intake will be vomit
Vomit out.
as the body reject the fluid due to toxic water retention. The patient feel thirsty but cannot take in water. This is an important symptom for application of Wuling Sang. Oh wow.
Yeah. No, no, it's toxic now because the body are full of toxic now, water retention. Okay.
But
But when you
he's
drink, you feel
thirsty
thirsty because you need water, no.
but cannot
Okay.
drink.
You drink in and you vomit out.
Huh.
Because your bottle rejected the water because it's already water retention. But this retention are bad water, no.
Hmm.
It happens sometimes in the clinic. The
No,
person
this
feel thirsty, but when you drink the water, then vomit it out, then definitely you use Wuling Sun.
okay. Next slide.
Then also some people having this liver cancer, no.
Hmm.
They have this body fruits. Wuling Sun also very, very good.
Doctor, now this is a common symptom actually when somebody gets that kind of water retention and bloating feeling, vomits of water, but he's feeling thirsty, wants to drink water. Now,
Vomit out.
so now what is the alternative? Because everybody will not get Wuling Sun. So what is the alternative?
So you're using the ash melon,
Ash melon, okay.
using the cabbage,
Yes.
ash melons, cabbage, no? Okay. Then with tomato, with all these things, with the
Okay.
ginger.
So
Yeah.
all the diuretic we can use that which will go remove the water.
Yeah, the diuretic, use diuretic herbs.
Any warm herbs to be added? Anything?
No, depend on the metabolism.
Metabolism. We
If the
should be
metabolism
able.
is weak, then using warm herb, then you can put
Okay.
in cinnamon.
Okay, fantastic.
Because nowadays cinnamon is so very easy. And diuretic is very easy to get over the counters, no?
We get, yes, doctor.
You can add.
We can use any.
You can buy the Western diuretics,
Diuretic.
this thing, diuretic, no? Okay, together with all this thing
Yeah.
to enhance the discharge of the urine.
Okay, so we
No,
can.
they're very common.
So, doctor, even I can use an Ayurveda herbal combination, which is a diuretic.
Yeah. Always, definitely.
Okay.
So Indian urine is very common in any herbal. Definitely you have. Definitely you have.
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
the
you can
logic
use those Ayurvedic herb to induce urine. Worst come to worst, you go to the pharmacy over the
take a-
counter, no? You
take a
buy the
diuretic.
diuretic,
Yes.
this thing to discharge the urine.
Like there are diuretics in modern medicine like furosemide, Lasix, and everything.
Yeah. And then Western one is very powerful, no?
Very powerful. Yeah,
How
doctor.
powerful. You remember last time when I am
Yes.
water congested, I go to the Pune.
Then
My
beyond.
goodness, I 5 kilogram of water removed from my body, you know.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. The Western duck is very, very powerful. But
So
you to combine with vegetable, you know, to protect the body.
yes.
Okay, that's why when you put this thing, you put ginger, you put jujube, this thing, then not purely diuretic.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay, 73 verse number in Yexo Yang. If sweating occurs and there is thirst, Wuling powder governs this. Yeah. If there is no thirst, Fuling Gankao decoction governs this.
Yeah. Very, very careful, you know, whether infection or non-infection. When
Correct.
there's infection, you know, you use Wuling
Correct.
power. So when there's no infection, you just boost it, you know. So we're using a Fuling Kanchao. Fuling means the mushroom together with the decollage only. Two only. Very easy, you know. Very easy formula. Okay. So in case you don't have Fuling, we have no. DXN, we are selling this Poria.
Yeah, Poria we have.
Poria easily available. So in case you no Fuling this thing, you get anything diuretic lah. Cabbage is a good one. Also radish, but radish are cold. Okay. So you can also use radish, no? And then Kanchao can use a jigari. Jigari. This a thing.
Yeah. Next.
Yeah.
So contemporary, you can use Poria, you can use Quitza, that's cinnamon twigs, licorice, and fresh ginger. I think this is very simple to understand.
Yeah, very, very simple. And this formula is
infection.
even simple, but it's a very important formula, you know, to boost the metabolism when there is no infection. When you're sweating, no, some people, you know, they have this voluntary sweating.
Yeah.
Without any reason. Then they feel weak, you know. They feel weak, they feel down. Yeah. You take this formula.
Fantastic.
No vexation, you know. if you feel agitated, vexation, he become very aggressive, no, then you Wuling San. Yeah. So no vexation using this Fuling Kan Chao. Okay. So you as a doctor, you should analyze the condition, not in a hurry to apply herbs, no. Many people, they in a hurry, they want to apply the herb. No. Understand the body condition, only then you apply. Don't apply blindly, Yeah.
So
So
note
these
C.
these are the two Fuling, One is to remove the urine.
Yes.
One is to boost the energy.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. After wrongly induced sweating, if feeling thirsty, then apply Ling San. If no
Yeah.
thirst but general weakness, apply Fuling Gan Kao Tang. Yes.
With
I think-
thirst using Wuling San, no thirst using Fuling Kan Chao.
Understood. Yes.
Thirst is very indicative,
Indeed,
Thirst means is dehydrated.
even though there is a blockage in the urine or water retention, then also you have thirst is still a sign of dehydration.
Yeah, because the toxin then it causes
Toxin.
thirst.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Next. So 74 in Exoyin,
Excellent, yeah.
if fever for 6 or 7 days does not resolve and there is vexation with both exterior and interior signs, thirst with a desire to drink water, and water is vomited immediately after consuming, this is called water reversal. Wooling powder governs this formula. 37. Yes, with notes with thirst but vomit out the water immediately after taking, it is a clear indication that the body fluid is full of toxins. We need to induce urination to discharge
Yeah.
the toxins.
Yeah. That's the only way.
Yes.
That is the only way.
Clear.
You need to induce urination.
Yeah. Clear. Okay.
Not induce a thing, not induce a thing, induce
Understood.
urination. Yeah.
So, doctor, what my question now? What if I see this and I know the person is having thirst? Definitely not to induce sweating, because that will make the condition worse.
Yeah.
And
Thirst
thirst
definitely
do not
don't induce sweating.
never
when it's
induce
thirst.
sweating. Yes.
Yeah. You mean
Okay.
either dehydrated or the body are full of toxin.
Full of toxic fluid. Yeah. Perfect.
So sweating do not help the problem.
Amazing. Okay.
But urine, yes, urine you can discharge the toxin out.
Understood. Before the pulse was taken, this is 74 verse. Before the pulse was taken, the patient crossed the hands over the chest to protect the heart. The teacher therefore instructed to test by making him cough. When he did not cough, this indicated that he must have deafness in both ears with inability to hear. The reason for this is that sweating had been excessively induced, resulting in deficiency. After sweating, drinking much water will certainly cause panting. Pouring water into him will also cause panting. Explain.
Yeah. This is a quick doctor, no? They see the patient is thirsty, then you use a lot of water. Ask him to drink a lot of water. Many people, they always commit this mistake, keep on asking people to drink water. Okay. So when they find out a person having fever, they pour water, they rub water over him. Wrong treatment. Wrong treatment. Yeah.
Okay, next slide. Notes. General weakness sometimes can cause the loss of hearing. Need to boost the metabolism, not simply feed water to quench the thirst. Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Just now the formula, the Fuling Kan Chao.
Yes.
Okay. Or ginger and jujube to boost the metabolism.
Doctor, my question here is, does it make a difference between a normal cold water, normal water, and hot water? Does that affect your
affect a lot.
So
Nobody don't drink cold water. Always drink warm water.
Warm water, yeah.
Yeah. When you drink cold water, it can reduce the metabolism.
Yeah, okay. That is why soups are important. That is why we make soup.
You see, there are many complicated cases. Some people exercise, After exercise, the body are very heaty, then they drink cold water.
They drink cold water, yeah.
They may get stroke,
Oh.
Then they may get this. There's one case. I saw one Sanghan doctor. He treated one young man, okay, paralyzed. The leg cannot move, Then he checked. Then the fellow drink a lot of cold water after exercise, Then the whole body paralyzed, cannot move, So he used the Gui Tang. He used the cinnamon, to warm him back, and then the thing become okay back. Be careful, The cold water is very harmful for body.
Okay.
Always drink warm water. Yeah.
So after sweating, the patient rejecting water or medicines taken by mouth. This is a counteraction. If sweating is again induced, there will certainly be incessant vomiting and
Vomiting.
diarrhea.
Yeah.
After sweating, vomiting or purgation, if there is deficiency of vexation with inability to sleep, if severe, there will certainly be repeated feelings of overturning and inversion with vexation and oppression in the heart. Qi, qi, decoction,
吃吃吃. Yeah,
okay,
the problem is that English you don't have the sound 吃 and 吃.
okay,
Okay, so you produce a GZ chi. It's okay,
okay. If
but the pronunciation is 吃
ch, ch,
吃. You only in German you have this sound,
uh,
but English they don't have this sound. Okay, yeah.
so here the decoction governs this. If there is qi,
Scan chi.
then
栀子 is a very cold it's a very cold herbs. Okay, 吃 is a fermented soybean.
which one, doctor? The
吃 is a fermented soybean.
fermented soybean. Okay.
Yeah, you see when we producing the soya sauce,
Yeah, we
we
ferment.
ferment it,
Yes.
Okay, we ferment it, then we soak it into what do you call
Brine.
a brine, then it becomes
Yes.
soya sauce.
Yes.
Okay, sometimes we use it dry, we fry it with the salt,
Okay.
then it become fermented soybean. Fermented soybean is very cooling,
Okay. It's
so we
cooling.
use it to cool down the body.
Mm.
And in Chinese, it's a very common food additive. We can buy it easily,
Mm.
Okay, so next time when during this sunya, we may teach how to do all these things. It's
Yeah.
very easy, to ferment the soya sauce,
Mm.
to ferment the soybean. Okay, then to a certain extent also is similar to tempeh,
Mhm.
loose tempeh. Indonesian they use tempeh,
Tempeh is basically
but
fermented, doctor. Tempeh is
fermented, but tempeh they don't use
soybean.
salt.
Ah.
The Chinese they use salt. They mix with salt, Tempeh no salt. Tempeh they this thing. That's
So
a
now my question, doctor, your question is vomiting is happening because of weak metabolism, or is it?
Yeah. It's because of the toxin.
But here you're using a cold combination. Why?
Yeah, because of vexation, No,
Oh,
it do not mention, but definitely there's fever here.
there is fever.
Fever. 栀子 is very cold, very, very cold herbs.
Doctor, in Ayurveda also, they say that fever is not necessarily only body temperature. Sometimes your behavior when you are angry,
Yeah.
this thing is a sign of
Vexation,
already an
agitated.
vexation.
They feel uneasy,
Yes.
They feel very, very, the temper become very short.
Yeah.
Short temper and very aggressive.
Aggressive, yeah.
Aggressive,
Irritated,
like
yet keep
cursing,
on turning here and there, overturning.
They keep on complaining.
Yes. Okay.
Talking non-stop.
So
Yeah. Then this 自治 is very famous for it's only very simple, There's one I have that's one testimony, Okay, one patient have a lot of emotional problem. So he go see one Chinese doctor. Okay, so he feel very, very sick, So when he give this formula, so he hold the whole thing with him. He say, "Sir, are you sure this small herbs can treat my problem?" Okay. Then the doctor say, "Please try and see. And only with one dose, his problem solved. This is very important, very important formula, even though it's very, very little amount of herbs.
Fantastic. Okay.
For agitation,
Yeah. Understood.
Emotional problem. Yeah.
So
we go to contemporary.
Yeah, we go to the
Yeah.
contemporary. Can we go to the contemporary? Yeah, here. Doctor,
So there are few formula, There are three formula here. 栀子 formula, only two, Okay. 栀子 is a kind of gardenia fruits. It's a very common Chinese herbs.
Okay.
Then fermented soybean. Okay. Then after that they add in ganchao to strengthen the stomach problem. Okay. All these three are boosting the energy, Okay. So they put in ganchao when you have stomach problem. Okay. Then they put in senjang, fresh ginger, also stomach problem. So these three are similar to each other.
Understood.
Then they're using fermented soybean. Fermented soybean in Chinese is very common among the Chinese. Okay, we use it for cooking, But other than that, I don't think so, fermented soybean. But we can produce it at home actually easily.
Dr. Gardenia fruit basically will act what in doing what to the in this?
It's a very cold herbs.
So it is a cold herb, right? Yeah.
Herbs, yeah.
Okay.
So without this, we can use the bitter gourd.
Oh, we can use bitter gourd to replace
Yeah,
Gardenia
bitter
fruit.
gourd
Okay.
to this thing, or using the bitter gourd and to certain extent, using this the stock of the binjan.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
The cap. Okay. Understood.
But Zi is strong.
So
Zi is very strong. Yeah.
okay. In 78 in Exoyang,
Yeah.
on the 5th or the 6th day after profuse purgation, if body heat does not subside and there is binding pain in the heart region, it is not yet about to resolve. Decoction governs this.
Yeah. To remove the heat.
Okay, to remove the heat. Understood.
Yeah.
So
And
basically heart problem is heat problem, doctor. That
no, the chest, heart means chest.
yeah. So this chest problem when they hold their chest.
Yeah, they
because
feel
of the
very
heat.
uneasy, They feel very uneasy. The chest feel very uneasy. Then it become very short temper,
Yes.
It is very common,
Mm.
and it's weak in metabolism. Weak in metabolism. Okay, so actually, soybean are a little bit strengthening. Zi is a reduce the metabolism further, But
Correct.
it reduce the heat. Then you put in the soya, to strengthen the body.
Understood.
Like you see tempeh also can strengthen your body,
Yes.
Tempeh. So sometimes we can. So in the absence of this soya bean, so you can use tempeh,
We can use tempeh, yeah.
but you must add some salt.
Some salt.
Make it to add some salt so that you make it cooling.
Cooling because salt itself is cool.
Yeah. Salt itself is cooling. Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, understood, doctor.
Yeah.
After notes, we'll just go. After a wrong purgation, there is heat in the heart area and causes pain. Can apply the Tang formula. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. 79.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. In Exoyang, after purgation, if there is vexation of the heart, abdominal
Chest area.
fullness- yeah, abdominal fullness and restlessness when lying down or rising. Now, Tsetse and Hopo.
Hopo, the
Hopo.
magnolia.
Wow.
When there's water, there's bloating, always use hopo.
Yes.
Hopo is commonly available in the Chinese pharmacy. Okay, so in the absence of hopo, you use fennel using coriander seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Decoction governs this. This is Formula 41. Let's go to the contemporary thing. Oh, yeah.
In future, I think we can produce hopo in India. No?
Yeah, I
India
think so.
Full of magnolia tree.
No, I in the Nagpur land, I'm going to start growing it. I did not know it is so important. We'll grow.
Magnolia, we go for ornamental tree,
Ornamental also can be used.
Very, very beautiful flower.
We can use the bark of the ornamental tree, doctor.
Yeah. Use the bark. I've seen it in Nagpur. I've seen it in Pune. Beautiful tree,
Okay, I'll check.
Huge tree, huge and beautiful. I saw in Europe also. Wow, I put it in Europe, The magnolia, wow, majestic. I'm telling you.
Fantastic.
You have white flower, you have yellow, you have this red flower. Beautiful. Even the flower itself is good for soup. And in Europe, I think they produce drink with the flower. Magnolia flower.
Okay, doctor, the contemporary preparation here, the gardenia fruit, then hopo, the magnolia bark, honey fried. Then what is that, doctor? The Auranthi fructus.
Is a young lime. Unripened lime.
Unripened lime, okay.
Yeah. We did the green lime, small lime, unripened. The one is very good to clear the chest congestion.
Okay.
In Nagpur, we have a lot of this sort of fruit.
Yes.
But you see, when you sometimes we do thinning, we remove the extra. So this one small one, don't throw it away. It's a very, very potent medicine, because it's this one used commonly among the Chinese doctor,
Okay.
to remove the chest congestion.
To remove chest congestion. Okay.
Chest congestion is very, very, very critically always happen. People not feeling comfortable with the chest.
Hmm.
Okay, they're feeling a kind of heatiness in the chest now, and this what they call unmatured citrus is very, very useful.
But this congestion in the chest, doctor, here there is no diuretic as such, but this congestion is not because of water retention, it's because of the heat.
Yeah, because the heat.
Because of the heat, yeah.
Heat of the gas. Yeah. If water retention, we don't use citrus.
Yes, understood. Yeah.
We use cabbage.
Yeah.
We use this binjan. Okay, or we use this herbs or poria. Okay. Yeah.
Doctor, this fullness of the stomach is mainly due to gas. Hopo is used to treat the problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's due to gas or due to water.
Due to what?
You hit your
You need to
this thing,
check. Yeah. Why is that?
then you listen to sound.
Huh.
It sound a drum, name is gas.
Hmm.
Then use whole pot.
Hmm.
Okay. If full of water, then using Fuling or using Baichu, So that all these are diuretics plant. You as a doctor, you should understand it by learn it by heart. Yeah.
Last.
I think in the future also you should identify the Ayurvedic.
Yeah, we are doing that. We are doing right now.
Yeah, doing that now.
We are doing the compilation.
Then we can modify the.
So
the
maybe
formula.
in the next to next session we will have a comparison of all the herbs with the Ayurvedic counterpart, which is easily available.
So you can use this veggie equivalent and also the Ayurvedic equivalent. Yeah.
So 80 final verse for today. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, last one. Yeah.
In Shanghan, if the physician uses pill medicine to greatly purge and the body heat does not subside with slight vexation, Tsetse Ganjiang decoction governs this. Formula 42.
Now they eat the dried ginger. Because some they use a very poisonous bean, pato, a kind of poisonous bean. When you take it, then you push. I think in India you have that also.
Yeah.
Toxic, the kind of toxic bean, When you take it, then they want very, very harmful.
So here, doctor, as I understand that this physician has used some strong purging medicine, but the heat, even with that, did not subside. With fixation there, that is when you should use the Tsetse formula with dried ginger, that is the ganjiang.
Yeah, you see, Tsetse is very cold.
Yeah, cold. But
dried ginger is very hot.
Very hot.
So this cold and hot apply together, Then let your body decide.
Okay, body will decide. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. And you see, Zhang Zhongjing is very famous, He's using whole and hot
together.
Always like that, He's one of very few doctors using these two together.
Many people will not agree to this, doctor.
No. Even nowadays, some herbalists they don't agree to it. But I use a lot,
Because you mix the body decide.
Let the body decide,
Wow, fantastic.
Oh, the body is a wonderful thing, The body will decide which one to use. Okay,
go to the contemporary list. Yeah, here again, it's very easy.
Only two formula.
Oh, very good. So after wrong purgation with a heaty sensation and vexation, dried ginger is used to boost the metabolism. Wow, doctor, such a powerful medicine ginger is.
Using medicine very economical,
Fantastic.
Yeah, these two of important formula. Do not say that only two.
Yeah.
Very important, Zhizi and just now Zhizi Ci, Xiangci. Okay, Zhizi and also the fermented one is a very famous one. And this one also very famous.
Doctor, now I started to believe so much because somebody just had water retention, feeling nausea. I only told them to take a little ginger with a little sugar. And after that, the person immediately felt better. So I thought, what a little ginger can do with sugar, but it did work.
Yeah,
it works as magic.
Yeah. No, sometimes you do not need to use a lot of.
Absolutely.
Correct. No. Last time you see in Europe, the kids having a diarrhea problem. Only sweet potato and ginger and sugar.
Amazing.
Simple formulation. So you as a herbalist, you should always respect the herbs.
Fantastic.
Do
I
not
think
say that,
doctor,
oh, this small amount, what can the herbs do? No, no. When it's right, even one or two herbs, you can. Sometimes my father only use one herbs, no, single herbs.
but doctor, you are doing this is a new revolution because you're bringing in the veggies, you're bringing in
Yeah,
fruits, and
yeah.
you're converting all veggies and fruits. What Hippocrates said was, let food be thy medicine. You're actually making all the food into medicine.
No, no, if you don't use veggie, how to teach the herbology?
Fantastic. Yeah.
Even in India, also, many Chinese herbs are not available, no, then how to apply?
True.
Okay, so even for me, when I go to other than that, in Malaysia, I have no problem.
Yeah.
We have 2,000 this
You told me Chinese
herbal.
pharmacy.
Yeah, you can always just present them the formula, and they'll get a herb for you. I think we need to establish this system in India
In
and
India, I
throughout the
want
whole world.
to. Yes,
Not only
yes.
India, throughout the whole world.
Throughout
And
the
of
whole
course,
world. Yeah.
Unknown is using less than 100 herbs. No,
Hmm.
we can establish the pharmacy easily.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, doctor. Now we will open the floor for questions. If
Yeah,
any,
yeah.
yeah.
See whether the question. And
So
today, this is very important. No? Today, you started to enter into new area already.
yeah.
Okay, so when the person is weak in metabolism, check whether there's any infection or no infection. When there's no infection, there's no heat, then you just boost the energy. So
So
when there's infection also, you have to reduce the heat.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
Doctor, just to let you know a testimonial,
Yeah.
afterwards, even my daughter, after I felt sick and I tried the soup, my daughter also. So now I have become like a master when it comes up to when people feel that, and especially summer season, people are suffering from
The
gastroenteritis and
gastric, yeah.
yeah, gastric flu.
Yeah.
So the stomach flu and a simple technique, of our soup with the leek soup and everything had really worked
Yeah.
wonders. And I got three people and three out. All three have got good results. By the second day, the symptoms had gone, no more vomiting, no appetite returned, and everybody normal back.
I treated many serious cases now
Mm.
during the MCO.
Mm-hmm.
Two cases, no, two cases. One cases is my lady staff, no, my PA. I think on and off the hospital 10 times, no, 10 days. Very, very sick. He told me, boss, I cannot serve you, no. I am very, very sick. So I take the pulse, the face very reddish, no, cough. I say, my goodness, this is a simple exogenous yin, no. Okay, so go to the kitchen, no. I get whatever I can have. Onion, okay, tomato, okay, then dates. In Malaysia, most of the people have dates because of Muslim there. Okay, then with some what they call onion dates and whatever aromatic I can get, and turmeric. Boy, only one morning, her symptom disappear. Then
Wow.
another one is my relative, come and the lady fainted, It's always fainted, very serious, every time sent to hospital, Okay, so that time also during the MCO, also I get the ginger, turmeric. Then I go to my garden, Okay, the time I planted this turmeric plant, I get the leaf, turmeric leaf. Then I have this what they call kaffir lime, the leaf,
Kafir line.
all the aromatic one, Okay, boiling, then only one serving, I gotta see we active running and kissing and laughing, Okay, so that do not underestimate the simple herbs, When you use it right, it's very, very potent.
True.
Very potent. Don't underestimate the thing. You see, like my father, he always use the simple herbs. He used the herbs near to the house, along the railway station. He never used this exotic like ginseng, angelica. No. He always used this common herbs, the biloba, so many day to day. You see it every day, Okay, that affected my philosophy also. So I also use all the simple vegetable, and the result is staggering. The result is many go to hospital for 1 week for 10 days. One soup only, sort of for only one. When you get it right. So my father always say, if your soup is right, 20 minutes you should know the result.
And doctor, the most important thing is when we go today to a modern medicine doctor, we tell them I have vomiting, I have loose motion, I have fever. We give them symptoms for everything. They write one drug.
Drug.
They write one drug for everything. For vomiting, one drug. For loose motion, one drug. For fever, one drug. For weakness, one drug. But with one soup of us that has everything, our job is done.
To a modern doctor, no, a diarrhea is a diarrhea. Finish.
Yeah, no,
But
nothing.
to us, no, there's so many types of diarrhea, no.
Absolutely, yeah.
Due to the weak metabolism, okay, due to the toxin,
Yeah.
due to the so many things, you have to analyze the thing. You
Ab-
see, I keep on telling people, Sanganlo is important today, even though we have modern medicine. We have seen many wrong treatment by modern medicine, you know.
Absolutely, yeah.
My village have 2 cases now. Very high fever, sent to hospital, died. After that, they never there, no. They sent to my father, no. I think my father also can treat them much better. No, because when they are dehydrated, you know, then the doctor induced sweating, died. They enter coma, then the person simply died, you know. 2 cases in my village now. So then it become a rumors. When you high fever, don't send to hospital. Sent to my father.
Getting better that
And
way.
also, and another one, Uncle Chong.
Ah.
He also another very famous herbalist.
Mhm.
Okay, then they use this kind of creeper plant, you know.
Ah.
Okay, they pounce it, it's very effective, very effective. Yeah. So
Doctor,
that's
take the first question.
yeah, please.
Yeah, Kanaklata, you can unmute. You can ask your first question. We have another 5 minutes to go. Yeah.
Yeah. No worry. We have
Good
time.
morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
So, sir, I thought to experiment this Shanghanu study on my grandfather. Okay, so he had cough with body pain. So I thought to cure the cough first. So I prepared the soup, ginger, jujube, jaggery, and spring onion. So I gave him. So
Yeah.
he told me that while coughing, he felt something itchy near the throat. So after
I see.
drinking that decoction, that itching stopped. Okay.
Okay.
But I tried coffee on him. So as you told that coffee is a diuretic substance
Yeah,
and it can help in water retention.
Yeah.
But when he was drinking coffee, his coughing increased. So I stopped it. Okay. So what is this logic, doctor? If coffee is a diuretic substance and can be given in coughing, so why his coughing was increasing?
No, because coughing, because of the infection in the throat, you know. Okay, so when you drink coffee, also it will agitate the infection. Okay, so the right thing is when you have itchiness, coughing, you know, you mix vinegar and honey.
In that soup.
Vinegar 1 to 1, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of honey, any vinegar, any honey. Okay, then add 2 spoon of water, make it very thick, drink slowly. Then you bite the throat, you know, then it can stop the coughing. This is due to infection. So when throat having infection, you drink coffee, you know, the coffee will agitate the throat, you know. That's why you cough more. Because coffee is a stimulant, you know. Coffee is stimulant. Diuretic, but in this case, it's not good for cough. Okay, for cough, remember, there are 2 formula. One is you can use the lime juice, no? Lime juice with honey, okay? Or you vinegar with honey. Very good for the itchiness of cough, yeah. We use it a lot, yeah. Try and see. Then together with your your spring onion soup. Onion soup alone may not be that good for cough, but vinegar and this honey is very good for cough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one more case came to me. Like he is a 12 to 13-year boy, and one time what happened that 11,000 volt wire touched his head and his hand. So his hand was cut off right at that moment, and his head near that area there is no hair. Okay, so he was facing head pain, epilepsy, and his mouth foamed. So we gave him 2 pairs of RGGL and 4 spirulina. So these 3 problems were solved. But what could we do about the hair?
No, you see, you mean the headache problem? Is a headache problem?
No, doctor. Now there was this child, a 12
Yeah.
to 13-year-old child who had an electric shock.
Epilepsy.
Electric wire. No, no,
Yeah,
electric wire. He had an electric shock, electricity
yeah,
shock.
yeah.
The
I see,
wire
I
fell
see.
on his head.
I
He
see, I
lost
see.
his hair. From
Uh-huh.
there, he had certain complaints. Most of the complaints have resolved with RGGL and spirulina, but the hair loss that has happened because of the burn injury is what she's asking. Is that correct, Kanaklata?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
You can apply the Gano oil.
Gano oil. You can apply Gano
Apply
oil.
the Gano oil, rub the hair. Then the hair may grow back. Okay. Then this thing you have to take nerve. This lineman is good,
Mhm.
For the nerve problem, can take linemen. Do you have linemen in India or not?
Yes, yes, we
Yeah,
have.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
we
Can
have.
take linemen, yeah. Linemen also can help, yeah. Then can apply the Gano oil, massage the hair,
Yeah.
massage the hair. Yeah.
Okay, next we have Manjunath.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Manjunath,
Kanaklata.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Manjunath, you can unmute and answer. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So we cannot hear you, Manjunath.
Yes. Good morning, doctor.
Yeah, good morning, yeah.
Yeah. So I want to give a feedback on regarding last time I discussed about the body pain. So after your suggestion and I can again I discussed with the doctor Savera. He told me to drink tomato, onion, and carrot soup. So now regularly, myself and my mom and dad, they are also using, and it's a wonderful result. I got a relief with the body pain. But I want to ask that after taking this, I got like my stomach will be very clean. Like I'm getting motion initially. I want to ask the why this so because after taking this tomato soup, I'm getting not kind of loose motion, just like a normal motion. I'm having around 3 days. Now it's okay. Now it's very clear. So because of the my poor metabolism or why this motion is coming after drinking the soup.
Yeah, no, nothing to do with metabolism. It's detox. No? When you take the soup, it remove the toxin from our body, then you have loose motion. It's very common. Loose motion, vomiting is very common. Some people have vomit, Okay.
Mm.
So there are a few cases I give this stomach strengthens herbal, okay,
Mhm.
okay, they vomit, It's a good sign. Okay, so that when you're taking the soup, you sweat, you vomit, or you have loose motion, is a good sign. Detoxification, nothing, no need to worry. Normally after 2 to 3 days, the thing will stop. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
what
yeah.
happens.
Can I continue this
Continue,
regularly?
always continue.
Always
Yeah.
continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one case, there's one case, okay. One very famous doctor,
Huh.
okay. So a patient having loose motion,
Huh.
okay. So he gives some medication, okay. After taking medication, the wound was even more worse, no. So they go and knock at his door at midnight, okay, complain to him and say, oh, this is common, So they insist that they drag him, to see the patient, So when see the patient, I say continue with the medication. They are shocked alive, After taking your medication, the loose motion take some more. I said take, Take then after that the loose motion stop because this is a detox, It's very common. You as a doctor, you must always don't get alarmed, When a person after taking the soup they vomit, they have loose motion or
Do not panic.
don't panic,
Yeah.
Don't panic.
Shilpi, can you unmute, please? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, doctor. Good morning.
Yeah, hi. Morning.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about the potato soup what you've mentioned. I was
Yeah.
under a wrong assumption all this while that potato when the kids ask for potato, what we think is they are not eating green veggies and they are only asking for potato, so it's not good. But after this lesson, after the Sangalon, and after your teachings, I got to know that it's very good for our stomach, for our
Yeah.
digestive
Stomach,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah, so the potato thing I've tried for my son and it works really good. Even the sticky rice thing I've tried for him. So for the stomach, for strengthening the stomach, it is working very well. I've
Yeah, yeah.
also tried on the onion and the black pepper
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah.
inducing the sweat, inducing the sweating. So I was
Sweating,
feeling
yeah.
somewhat little feverish. I was feeling because the weather is bit hot and cold, changing. So because of that, I took the soup, just the onion and the black pepper, and it
Yeah.
really worked
Yeah,
really
yeah, yeah.
well.
Okay, induce the
Yeah,
sweating, yeah, yeah.
yeah, and even for the Poria, because we were asked to keep all the testimonies today, so I was like, I should keep up my words
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Fantastic testimony,
Yeah.
yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, for Poria also I've tried for my son. He was feeling somewhat uneasy all the while, and I was
Yeah,
not knowing that it was due to the water retention. But when I'm
yeah,
giving him Poria, just one in the morning and one in the evening, the capsule, it's really fantastic.
yeah,
He
yeah,
is
yeah. You
like
remove,
able to
yeah, yeah,
pass
urine,
out the urine. Yeah. So it is really nice. One thing which I need to ask, yeah, the summary what today went on for all the herbs, summarized one. It was really good. Thanks for that session. And also, one thing which I would like to know for the eyesight, do we have something like what has happened recently for me? I was only having a single vision, the short sightedness. Now I'm going more towards the long sightedness, like looking for the near things. I'm feeling
yeah, yeah.
little difficulty. So, something for the eyesight, do we have it here?
No, eyesight, we can use this
Butterfly pea,
butterfly
doctor.
pea, you know. The
Okay.
butterfly pea, the purple,
Flower,
purple
yeah.
flower.
We
That one
have we
very
have a
good.
product. We have a
Yeah.
product, doctor.
Anything purple, you know. For example, this
Okay. Okay.
butterfly pea, okay, or the purple potato.
Purple potato also.
Purple potato, anything
Okay.
purple.
Okay.
It's good for the eyesight.
Mhm.
Butterfly pea, purple, this potato, okay. Then anything purple in color.
Purple
Okay.
ginger, doctor.
Okay.
Even there is purple ginger.
Purple ginger, yeah, purple ginger also. Okay, it's good for
Okay.
eyesight
Okay.
because the eyesight is purple color. It contain a kind of
Mhm.
I couldn't remember the
Pigment,
name.
yeah.
It's good for the eyesight. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this butterfly pea flower is very common in
Very
India.
good, doctor. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You can try
Okay.
to
Okay.
6
We'll
flower.
definitely give
No?
it a try.
Yeah. Then you
Yes.
simmer it. Then you get a very, very, very beautiful. No?
We call it kimono tea.
Purple.
We
Because
call it.
kimono tea. Okay, like kimono tea. That one is
Okay.
very good for the eyesight. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Doctor,
doctor.
one
Yeah,
question
yeah.
from Darlene Sulter.
Yeah,
Darlene
yeah.
from Philippines. She's asking, Doctor, I feel like puking always, but I don't really vomit. Just a sensation, but
Yeah.
I know I am also dehydrated because very bad at drinking water. I always feel thirsty, even if I just drank water. Cold, feet, hot hands, sometimes eyes are heaty as well. Sweaty palms, I don't really sweat unless it's really hot. Recently, I feel my nerves, the ones I feel when having flu, but have no flu, no cough. There's phlegm sometimes. I just feel heaty inside. Which do I start focusing on first?
Dehydration,
Dehydration.
Dehydration. So I think you can use the cabbage.
Hmm.
Using the cabbage, no? Maybe 100 gram of cabbage or pak choy, or Chinese cabbage. Okay. Then with tomato,
Hmm.
ginger, dates, no?
Hmm.
Okay. So 100 gram of this cabbage, 100 gram of tomato,
Hmm.
20 gram of this ginger.
Hmm.
Okay. Then about 5 or 6 dates, no?
Hmm.
Boil it and drink the water. Then your case, you cannot quench the thirst by drinking water because the body is full of toxin,
Hmm.
So you have to remove the urine, to the urine, and take a DXN Poria or Poria. No, I don't know whether in Philippines you have Poria or not. You have Poria and take the Poria. If not, you can buy Poria from
Supermarket.
what do you call, from a Chinese pharmacist,
Uh-huh.
easily. Yeah, you can get it from in Philippines. There's a lot of herbal pharmacy.
Yeah.
You can buy the Chinese medicine easily. Yeah.
Yeah, so she confirmed she'll try that, doctor. One
Ah.
more question here is about A. Mukhit. He's asking, Dr. Lim, I would like to clarify that eating potato causes leg pain, sometimes called as why. So we boil and throw away the water and then use it. it is not effective usage of potato. So what they do is, doctor, eating potato causes leg pain, so they boil the potato, throw away the water, and eat the potato.
It is very funny, because why should you throw away the water?
Okay.
I think it's not potato, I think. You are talking about ubi, I think, ubi. The
No,
purple ubi.
potato. Doctor, in India
Potato,
we do
yeah.
that. In India, we boil the potato, we throw
Throw
the
away the
water,
water.
and then we eat the potato.
When you eat potato, you have a leg pain,
Ah,
water problem.
hmm,
It's nothing to do with potato.
hmm,
Okay, that means you have this metabolism problem. Okay, your leg are short of water.
hmm, 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 hmm.
Okay, so in that case, you need to hydrate your body.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe you can take the
Hmm.
brinjal, no? Okay, or cucumber.
Make a
Cucumber.
soup out of it, and you can.
Yeah, make a soup
Yeah.
of cucumber.
Yeah.
Cucumber soup is very nice, no? To hydrate the water.
Hmm.
But take the soup, throw away the vegetable. Okay?
No,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
doctor, this concept people have to agree. They don't feel like throwing away. They can throw the water away, but not the veggies. And you're telling exactly opposite. You keep the water and throw away the veggies.
To throw away the veggie and drink the water. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doctor, we have Nancy asking you the next question. Nancy?
Yeah, Nancy, Nancy.
Thank you. Good
Yeah, yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
Doctor, in my practice, I have seen people with abdominal bloating, feeling of chest oppression,
Stress.
and also irritability or anxiety. How can
Exactly, yeah.
I clearly differentiate where this partner is due to heat, gas, stagnation, or water irritations, in order to choose correctly
Yeah.
between the formulae as Shi Tang, Shi Zhou Po Tang,
Yeah.
or Wielding Tang, please.
So you see, first thing first, whether a person is having dehydration or water retention, how do we know? Okay, now you see, first is to check whether any thirst not.
Hmm.
Thirst is a clear sign of dehydration. Thirsty, they always feel dry throat, and thirst first. Secondly is that any congestion. Okay, but the chest congestion, stomach congestion, there's water retention. Okay, so water retention always have the kind of fullness, no? They feel congested. Okay, so as a doctor, sometimes we press the stomach. You see the resistance, or we hit by listening to the sound, then we know whether there's any water retention of the body or not. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so and dehydrated. First you can see, first the throat always feel dry,
Hmm.
and always dry cough, cough without phlegm. Cough without phlegm. Okay, then sometimes the eyesight also become very dry.
Like in front.
The eye become very
Yeah.
dry. Yeah. So this dehydrated and the dry skin. Okay, the skin also become dry. Okay, so the thirst is very the indicator. When there's no thirst, then okay. Then another thing is that whether any constipation or not. Dehydration also can cause constipation. Okay, can cause constipation and difficult in urination. Short in urine. Okay, short in urine. So all these are common sense. Now you can check on all these things, then you can decide whether it's dehydrated or it's water retention. Yeah.
So Nancy, I think you've
Now
understood the
I
difference.
can.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
now I
okay.
have.
Water retention and also, doctor, even in a dehydrated state, the person is feeling more lighter. He's more having vexation. While in a congested state, he feels heaviness. He feels
Yeah.
lethargy. He's slowed down, feel drowsy. Is that the way?
Two things. Whether infection or without infection.
Oh, without infection.
Without
or
infection, there's no heat.
Uh-huh.
It's just down. You just feel very tired, down, don't want to talk, everything. Okay. But with infection, then become heaty and become short temper, Then he lose the temper very easily and keep on talking, keep on agitated,
Yeah.
So you see whether any infection or not.
Yeah. Noted, doctor.
You see, we don't use antibiotic,
Correct.
Okay, but we use all these things, the body can deal with the infection,
Yeah.
naturally. That is a much better way than using the antibiotic,
Correct. Doctor, next question. Thanks. You have
Yeah,
anything
please.
else,
Thank-
Nancy?
Nancy, yeah,
That
thank
makes
you.
it much clearer
Yeah.
and not only to look at the symptoms but they understand
Yeah.
where there is the head or no head. Thank you so much.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you. Next question, Sharmista, please.
Yeah.
Good morning, doctors.
Yeah, good morning.
My question is related heart health. So one of my family friends, she's 40 years old now, have gone through a bypass surgery a year
Bypass.
ago. Yeah, a year ago, and has been detected diabetes since she was 19 years old. So current complaints are chest pain, jaw pain, shortness of breath, pain in left arm. She manages this pain through Sorbitrate. She almost required 3 to 4 Sorbitrates in a day. So any kind of soup or herbs which will support or strengthen her heart.
For this bypass problem, okay, in India, you have this Alta Centera. Alta Centera, Alta Centera is a very common plant in India. There are two types. One is the red color, one is the green color.
Green color.
Okay, you boil that one is very, very effective for the heart blockage.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think in the South India, they always use it as a white vegetable. And in Pune, I see the whole statues of Alta Centera. Okay, so maybe Rajesh, in the next meeting, maybe you can show the
I will
photo.
show them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Adventurous
This
essence.
it's
It's
very
called
common in India.
Yeah, it's
Very
called
common in
alter.
India. At the roadside, there's a lot,
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and you use that to boil it. It's very, very effective for the heart problem.
So, doctor,
Especially the red color one, But in India, I seldom
we
see
have
the red
green.
color one.
Doctor, we have green.
A green color, yeah. But it's the same. It's the same. Green and a red one. In Malaysia, we have a lot of red color one. So maybe actually I introduced some to India, but unfortunately they
No,
do
we
not
are,
take
doctor,
good
we
care
are
of
in
it.
the process of registering. We are coming up with a Hong tea. We
Yeah.
are registering the product.
Hong Ten.
Yeah.
Though I think we have CDP in CDP. I think
Yes,
we have some the red color one.
Yes.
The one and also we take it as white vegetable. We always plant it beside our house, and the one is very effective. Very effective treating the heart problem. There are many cases where they need to go for bypass. After taking for 1 or 2 months, they can skip the surgery.
And doctor, what would you suggest for her pain, the pain problem that she has in the neck region, the jaw line and everything? This patient has a lot of pain. So this pain would be because of dehydration? What would the pain be?
No. It's an exogenous problem.
Exogenous problem.
Yeah. So you can take the leek onion soup. Take onion soup, all these things to reduce the pain.
So take our leek soup, that formula that we have given.
Yeah.
You try that formula. Is an exogenous
To
problem.
induce
The
sweating
pain.
and thing. Body pains, body itchiness, body pains can solve by
Exogenous.
sweating.
Yeah.
Very few people know about that, You see, last time my wife, when she had a hand injury, so he injured during her young time, then some doctor go and treated it wrongly, Okay, then she always had pains before the raining season. Okay, so and he never told me, Okay, then he go and then there's some doctors said that, oh, it's rheumatism, everything. He do not treat it, Then after that, when she told me this, I said, hey, this body pain is exogenous problem, You take this Kui Zhi Tang, Kui Zhi Tang, Okay. Then in Malaysia, then taking for 7 days not effective, Okay. So I said, how can it be not effective? This symptom. Then we go back to Singapore, Then we buy the herb from Singapore, then on the 8th time the effective. That means it's the quality of the herbs. In Malaysia, the poor this Kui Zhi quality, In Singapore, because Singapore they are more strict in this thing.
Quality
That's why
control.
my wife, every time when a family have problem, we always buy the herb in Singapore.
Singapore.
So when in Malaysia, when we buy the herb, you always tell them give us the best herb, We do worry about the price. Okay, so this to induce sweating, okay, induce sweating can solve a lot of exogenous problem, okay, like this pains problem, itchiness problem. Itchiness problem nowadays is very easy, very common, Many people have itchiness the body, okay, and eczema problem, all these things can solve by sweating. That's why our onion soap is very, very useful, Treated a lot of problem.
Yeah. So, Doctor, last question for
Thank
thank you,
you.
Sharmita. Yeah.
Yeah,
Last
yeah,
question,
thank you very much.
Santosh. Santosh, can you unmute yourself? Yes.
Yeah.
गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर।
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
सवेरा सर मेरा हिंदी में बताऊंगा, मैं आपसे
Yes.
पूछूंगा, आप
Yeah.
कन्वर्ट करो।
Yeah,
मेरा
yeah.
2 सवाल है कि रेनी सीजन में मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम आता है कि रनिंग नोज इन द मॉर्निंग और स्नीजिंग, ये सिर्फ होता है रेनी सीजन में होता है, ड्राई सीजन में
Doctor, first question he has is in the rainy season he has this complaint of running nose and sneezing.
Yeah.
Every rainy season.
The exogenous problem. Lungs
Exogenous
problem.
problem.
Lungs problem. So you can use radish plus black pepper. Radish, black pepper, tomato, ginger, and dates. If you make the soups, okay. Then if with chest congestion, add oranges. Yeah, try and see.
Okay. Next.
Radish and black pepper is very, very effective for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next,
Second
Santosh.
question.
तुझे समझला? Did you understand?
हाँ, सांगा.
Okay. So radish, mura, radish. Then you should use black pepper, tomato, dates, and if there is
Ginger.
congestion, then you use oranges. Make a
Yeah,
soup
yeah.
of it, and you drink that during that period when the rainy season comes, and let us report to us how do you feel.
Okay.
Because this is an exogenous lung problem.
Oranges
Okay.
always with skin, don't remove the skin.
यानी ऑरेंजेस जब करोगे तब उसके स्किन के साथ ही डालना है पूरा, कोई इसका ये नहीं करने का।
Because the most potent part is the skin. You
Yeah.
throw away the skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Second
next.
question, yeah.
और दूसरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरा अगर मैं 2 व्हीलर पे कहीं भी घूमता हूँ तो वाटरी आइज हो जाती है, आंखों से पानी शुरू होता है, बाकी नहीं होता है। Okay.
Doctor, when he's on his 2-wheeler, when he's on his bike, then his eyes always water. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. So, anything to suggest for that?
No, lung is eyes watering is a lungs
Same
problem.
lung problem. Same.
Yeah, lung maybe congested with water. Okay, so the same thing, And eyes problem can always take this what they call butterfly pea.
Butterfly pea.
Butterfly pea. You can buy the butterfly pea and make into
Tea.
this tea. Keep on drinking.
Yeah.
They're very good for eye.
So,
Okay.
okay. Thank you. Okay.
I
Doctor.
think we should promote the planting of butterfly pea in India.
No, doctor, we have a product. We are selling tea,
yeah.
and we are doing a lot of cultivation.
It's very important.
It's a
The
very
whole
important.
plant can eat, You can eat the leaf, you can eat the pod, you can eat the flower. The whole plant is such a good plant.
Yes.
That's
We
why
are
last
growing
time
it.
when I in Pune, they told me they are so poor. They drink this what they call the chili water with salt only. I whack them, because I saw that their what they call their fence are full of butterfly pea, but they never eat, He said they never know. I said, no, you idiot and all this thing, You're not poor in money, you're poor in knowledge. Yeah.
True.
So in
Okay,
India, we
doctor.
should promote this white vegetable.
Yes. I think that brings us to the end of today's session,
yeah.
doctor. Thank you so much for your
Thank you so
time.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we see you tomorrow again.
See you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that brings us to the end of another session. See you tomorrow in the next class of our study of the Shangolan, and we will do the next set of verses, 10 verses, and we will do a revision class also. So please keep on trying the different formulas that have been discussed, and make sure that you keep on listening and studying and analyzing this, because that's the only way you can learn. Okay, so do dare to experiment, and see you tomorrow. Till then, namaste.